India, they're going to give him a memento that he should treasure for the rest of his life, and it will be the President, Seshang Manohar, on behalf of the BCCI, along with the officials of the Punjab Cricket Association, who will get this award. So on behalf of the BCCI and officials of the Punjab Cricket Association, a memento for Sachin Tendulkar, becoming the highest run getter in Test match cricket. And in the course of that innings, he also went past 12,000 runs in the history of the game. The first man ever to do that. Well, Sachin, first of all, many congratulations. You feel 5 kilos lighter today?
It's okay, actually, just the last couple of days, because I got out on 49 in the last Test match. And I guess you guys got time to actually remind me again about the record. Though, I mean, I was trying to, just focus on the game, but every now and then, whoever was there in front of me made it a point to remind me.
You go through airports, hotels, you order room service, they'll first tell you about the record. How tough was it? How much did it hurt you getting out on 49?
I thought the most important thing was to save the Test match. We lost a couple of early wickets, and after that we had a couple of decent partnerships, and that was more important for me. And by the time I got out, I thought the match was kind of safe. So I was pretty much relieved there, and I knew that I had done a good job. Record will come some stage. I mean, I was not bothered so much.
Now, what's the preparation that goes into it? You've been around a long time. You're still keen as mustard when you go out there to bat. You are on the threshold of a world record, of making history. What was going through your mind today? What was your preparation like? What were you thinking?
I decided just keep it simple and just keep watching the ball and not look at anything else. Keep my mind just on the ball, eyes on the ball, and be alert. I knew, I knew that I was 14 runs short, but my focus was just to watch the ball.
Milestones have been a part of your career, part and parcel. How big is this one? The biggest?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely biggest, I would say, because it's taken me almost 19 years to get here, and it's something which cannot happen overnight. 19 years of the journey was fantastic. There have been ups and downs. It's just those things where it's a process of success, where so many times there are sometimes stones thrown at you, and you convert them into milestones. So it's a great feeling.
Now, you would have been overwhelmed by the occasion, and no one will ever blame you for that. The firecrackers going out there, how the next 10 minutes must have been difficult.
Yeah, I mean, I was not that excited, to be honest. I mean, I knew it had, I had achieved that, but the focus was on to continue, later on and not lose my concentration. Yes, I mean, it was a big moment, but both of us, myself and Saurav, we decided that we have to concentrate and make sure that we don't, give our wicket, and make sure that there is a big partnership, and try and play till the end of the day's play.
You had mentioned very early in your career, I'd like to rate myself if I play close to 2 decades. 17, 18 years is what I want to play for. When did you first think that you had this potential to become the highest run getter ever, or get 14,000, 13,000? You would have had personal landmarks set by yourself.
I've not really thought of it. I don't remember even thinking of it some stage, but as you get closer to these huge landmarks, I mean, you sort of start subconsciously, you start of thinking about it. I've always tried to keep all those records out of my book. Just when I'm preparing myself, I'm just preparing to play my best game against the opposition, not to break records. And while doing that, if I break records, I mean, it's just the reflection of what I've been able to contribute as a player for Indian cricket.
And coming against a team like Australia, that must have been sweet because you've always rated them. They're the best side in the world, and you get a special delight when you do it in that way.
Yeah, I would have preferred to get my record earlier, but it's nice that it's come at the right time. I mean, the Australians are the top side, and to get against them was a special moment, and I treasure this.
88 by Tendulkar today. You looked in no trouble whatsoever. You'd be disappointed getting out just before stumps when you could have set your eyes on a really big score.
Yeah, it's disappointing that I got out. The goal was to stay there till the end and start a fresh innings tomorrow, but I mean it didn't happen so. Got a good ball. I thought maybe lack of footwork. I just felt the new ball, and that's why it's such a beautiful game. The moment the ball is changed, the game changes, and to adapt to that quickly is extremely important. And I thought I was maybe a fraction late to judge that and get on the front foot rather than just holding there, because the new ball does different things compared.
Right, of course, great moments there, should I say, great moments. Unfortunately, there was a bit of a technical glitch out there on that Sachin Tendulkar piece. We're just trying to put that all together, but great words, should I say, coming through from the master batsman. It's often said, Jimmy, being in India, the amount of runs that Sachin Tendulkar scores pretty much depends the mood of the public. And going